family. Of course, Hannah.
Every weekend it's Hannah.
Every weekend.
And sorry guys that we didn't vlog.
And sorry guys that we didn't vlog this week. That's coming from Thalia. Okay,
Yeah.
it is like night
I
time.
can't show myself.
What's the time?
Because I'm cooking. I'm being a fat pig. No, I'm joking. How about you? Yeah.
And Haylie is now trying to open up her diary.
To expose her secret.
To expose her secrets. Where's the key? Why would you have a diary bigger than this key?
Right. Oh.
Wait, it's just like, what's the time?
She gave it to me.
60, 100 o'clock? Okay, it's now 60, 100 o'clock. 10:40. It's now 10:40 at night.
Yeah, sorry guys, I haven't changed out my school uniform yet.
I should have school uniform yet.
Because after school we went to Hannah's house to pick her up. Well, it wasn't really.
Hannah's house.
It wasn't really
just like touched.
It wasn't really after school, but.
No, it took you forever. We just got back.
And guys, with 2 XXX, 10 shit early on.
R.I.P. I was crying on the way home.
Yeah,
I was crying on the way here, and I was like literally crying in the back with nobody knowing me until I like made a loud.
No, I knew we were crying about
a loud
him.
snort. I made a loud snort. I was like.
And then my dad was just like, who's crying? Ow, don't hit my mum.
It was an accident. I was just like singing around. And then Talia was like, and she knew straight away, she's crying because of XX. XXX Tentacion.
Comment down below how you say his name.
Tentacion. It's Tentacion. Tentacion.
I don't know. I say,
I get
okay, so guys.
She can hold it in. I don't even know how she can hold it in.
Yeah, but it hurts, okay?
It hurts like really bad.
It hurts my heart like it's broken all the time.
My heart, I'm missing a piece. Like flew. It's like
no, I'm missing all my
I
heart.
don't know.
I'm missing all my heart.
I know. You boys missed all your heart. Oh, I love you. Well, like you, but you're missing all your heart, so you don't love me back.
Do you know what I do? If I have 2, guys, I'm actually a fat pig because I'm having 2 noodles. You know?
Oh my god, she is a weapon holder.
I'm trying to open this guy.
She's trying to open up her diary, but she can't because she can't find the
Well,
key.
how many forks do you have to have there? 2. You only need 1.
She's used a knife and now she's using a fork. It's working. Get this. No. Hey, use this. Look.
I'm tired.
Like this. Put it on the
If you see, I have bags because
I have bags.
I have a school
I
bag.
have more. Yeah, me too. Who does that?
I have shopping bags. I go shopping.
Are you twerking?
Nope.
I'm a user. I use the toilet.
I think everyone does, Haylie.
No, not really.
Sad to say.
I have
Giants
bags.
break the toilet.
I have bags.
I don't
me.
Stop.
She got.
See, Haylie, this is what I just
I need something.
Any promises? What? Yeah, you need the key. She's trying so hard. She used this broken brush sort of thing. She used this. Guys, I know it's capable old enough to use it. But we're not.
Not in the bad way.
Not in the bad way, but I'm like, she's trying to use it. And she was using 5.
Yes, I got it.
She got it. She got it.
I got it.
She got it, guys. Through.
I actually got it.
She actually got it. Like,
And I got the keys for nothing.
oh, let's go try it.
Yeah, toilet open.
She opened so small. Guys, okay. I'm just telling you this, right? She had this old crush. His name was Lincoln.
No, it wasn't.
Threaten. If
Don't
you're
say
watching
the
this.
last name. And this,
If you're watching, then like.
She used to like you.
yeah.
Or
No. She used to like you.
Okay, but that was from ages ago. So I was like, how long ago was that? I thought that was a new diary. I haven't seen it forever. I haven't seen it like at all.
Okay, so guys, her new
Next.
crush will get exposed in the future. She has one, but
I have one, but
she has a boyfriend actually. And I'm single as a Pringle.
yeah, it's good to be single because you're single and free.
Yeah.
And I'm taken.
Can I change
They're
it
both
right now?
taken. I mean, Haylie has a crush.
Taken.
Hannah has
I don't have a
crush.
crush. My crush already knows.
Exactly.
And then my
She has
crush.
like this bump. Look, come here. Look, she has like this bump. Look, she has a bump.
Have a bump. Just drive over. And then squish it. I squashed the bum. Ah!
It's still there.
You know my natural hair's curly?
Nobody cares.
Yeah, right.
It is.
No, it's not. I've never seen your hair curly.
How mine?
My natural hair is wavy.
Ew, you spat.
No,
No,
Let's
guys.
show them the dance, okay?
Okay, go. Okay.
Best mates. I play Fortnite. Emily. And oh my god! It's my last year at primary. I'm so happy. So we got names, and my one is I'll find mine. It's like in the last row always. So it's right here.
Check the... Huh.
It's right here, guys. Hey, guys. Here you go, guys. Oh my god. There you go, guys.
Okay, so hello guys again. Sorry for that banging sound. It's but okay. So something happened.
What?
It's exciting, but Dad's got a new car.
We don't know what song to do.
Oh yeah, we're planning on doing a cover for a song. But what about Mama Don't Worry? Slash Still and Dirty. Cause like we're gonna change the lyrics. So we're doing a cover. Now, guys, you know the song. We've said it in the previous videos that we're gonna do a cover, and we weren't gonna tell you the song until you saw it. But yeah, so Dennis got a new car, and guys, I'm gonna show you it with them two in the front. So yes, guys, I'm just gonna show you what color it is and stuff, and then you got to go, and then you gotta quickly pause the video and go in the comments and guess what car it is. So this is the color. Looks like this. Okay. So I'll give you 5 seconds. Comment down below. What do you think? Or 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna show you it. Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
That's your mum on the phone.
Mercedes, bye.
Okay, mum's on the phone.
Sorry guys, it's just my mom that's on the phone. Okay, so what I was saying with the Sienna. Come, Baba. Come. Come, Sienna. Why? I think she wants to go play with the new neighbours. She wants to go play with the new neighbours. Okay, so guys, we'll see you soon if we're going to do something today. Guys, so we're just going to the
Camel toe.
shops, and
Look at the Mustang people.
then we're going to get Sienna a ball. So if you haven't saw the two cars, then I'll show you now. So here's one of them.
Let's go, people. Oh wait, I can actually reach.
And this is like GT, nice. Look at that sparkle. Who's in there? Hi guys, I'm right here. Hi guys. So yeah. Actually, I like the rims and see, I like this part because like it looks angry. And then on the other car, which I will show you guys, is the Mercedes Benz.
Oh, Thalia?
So yeah.
Did you grab your keys? I'll grab mine.
I wasn't in it.
Like the rims in there. Sally's in there. Oh, look at that.
They haven't even went to the car wash yet. Like, wow. A boot. Hi, Tarkan. So yeah, that's the both cars over there. Plus the ogre and this big fella. So we are going now, and wow. I just recorded there, and now there's this. I just recorded that, and there's nothing. That was that. Oh well, I didn't see that. So you can see my shadow. You guys want to see my shadow? Hello. So yeah, guys. So Elle thinks that she's gonna drive, but she's actually not. In her dreams, buddy. So guys, I hope to see you guys. Hope to see you guys at the shop.